Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 15% and turn off any power-saving mode, because always on display needs normal power. Next, open settings quickly, swipe down and tap the gear icon. Once there, type or scroll to find lock screen. This is where the feature lives. You're doing this to access display controls directly and avoid delays that occur when toggling from deeper menus. You now enable Always on Display. Tap the Always on Display option within lock screen settings. Toggle the switch to on and decide whether to set it to always or use a schedule to save battery. Choose what fits your routine. Then customize the clock style, widgets, and brightness. Lowering brightness or using a minimal clock conserves power. Once you pick styles and tap Apply, the AOD will appear whenever the screen is off per your schedule. Finish by testing. Lock your phone and wake the screen briefly to verify Always on Display shows your chosen layout. If you don't see it, make sure adaptive battery or aggressive battery optimizers aren't restricting background features, and check for third-party lock apps that override AOD. If problems persist, restart the device, then return to lock screen settings and reset AOD options. This usually resolves conflicts and restores normal Always on Display behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.